Hey babe, can you go ahead and turn on the bedroom AC, please? Thank you. So a couple weeks ago, I get woken up from a dead sleep early in the morning with a god-awful noise coming from the air conditioner. I turned it off right away, and I knew what it was. On the Coleman MACH 8, the blower wheel, or better known as the squirrel cage, tends to crack. And sure enough, went up there today, and there it is. There's the crack. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the crack. These things tend to go. So I went to Tiffin, got all their model numbers, found out that the squirrel cage or the blower wheel at the Tiffin site, the parts service site, is $60 and change. Went to Amazon and I found it for $50. So we have 3 of those air conditioners on our unit. We have an Allegro bus, 2014 Allegro bus, 37 AP. We have 3 ACs up there. This past summer, the middle AC went, so I had to replace that. So we replaced that. So the front one's the one that was making all the noise. I went ahead and ordered a part. So what I went ahead and did, this is a 2014, it's 2020 now. I went ahead and bought 2 of them and replaced them both. So the 2 existing ACs that I have now have new squirrel cages, or better known as blower wheels, because I just figure it's gonna go. At least I know I can get another 5 years out of it and not have to worry about it. So as you know, there's a black cover over your AC. I went and it has 4 screws on it. I used my cordless drill to take care of that. You could have done it with a Phillips head screwdriver, not a problem. Remove that black cover. Underneath that black cover is a gray cover that actually goes over the blower itself. It has 4 screws on it, and those 4 screws are a 3/8 inch socket. Removed those, took that off. Now there's a plastic cover over the blower itself, or the squirrel cage, the blower wheel. It has some tape holding it out. AC tape is what it is. I removed that tape, took that cover off, and then there's 2 loose ends on the sides. One kind of just gets pushed to the side over by where the motor is, and then the other one I removed. Now inside the squirrel cage, right in here, you need a Torx bit T25. I don't know if you can see it. That's a Torx bit T25. Went in there, took that out. It's a little tight when you push it out, so I just used my ratchet and I just bumped it out a little bit. It came out, removed it, and sure enough, there is the crack. Replaced it the same way I took it off. I put it back on. There's really only one way to put it on. You'll see it once you get it. One is more rounded and one is more concave, and it fits over the shaft of the motor itself. You'll be able to tell, not a problem at all. Tighten that back up, put the gray cover back on, put those 4 screws back in, put the big black cover back on the AC, screw those 4 in, and that was it. So it was a pretty easy job. I'm going to leave the serial number and to the AC that I have, to the part number to Amazon on the bottom in the descriptions. So I hope this video was good for you, helpful, educational. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and hit that bell as a reminder when we put up another video. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you guys being here and all the support we get from you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you.